Changing your verification method on Steam is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your settings. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Open the Steam client or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile name. From the drop-down menu, select Account Details to access your account settings. Step 3. Manage your security settings. In the Account Details section, look for the Security or Manage Steam Guide option. Click on it to view your current verification methods. Step 4. Choose your new verification method. You will see options for different verification methods, such as email or mobile app. Select the method you wish to change to and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm your changes. After selecting your new verification method, Steam may require you to verify the change through a confirmation code sent to your email or mobile device. Enter the code as prompted to finalize the update. Once you've completed these steps, your verification method will be successfully changed. Make sure to keep your account secure by regularly updating your security settings.